Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will be talking about how easily we can convert any number that you want into a barcode. Sometime, we would like to print barcode and then we look for a barcode generator. But that sometimes take a lot of time, especially when you have tons of data. What if I told you there is an easier way? For example, I simply select these values, simply select the font, and then it get converted to barcode. So let's see how we can achieve this. Okay, so for that, first of all, what we need to do is we need to download ID automation font, and here we go. This is the font. All you need to do is you need to click on download, and not to worry guys, I'm gonna provide you this direct download link that you can find in the comment down below. Simply hit download and the download of font will start. And before we proceed further, let me talk about our brand new channel, which is Negi Tech, where we make video related to PC, computer hardware and accessories. If you have got any kind of question regarding your next PC build, so if you are interested in computer, PC, hardware and accessories, then do subscribe to Negi Tech. Channel link again are in description down below. Now coming back to our topic, which is downloading this font, and here we have it. Now what I'm gonna do here is let me click on it and let's extract this. Now let's simply select all these fonts and then click on install. And there we go. After installing this font, all we need to do is we can go back to our Excel sheet, and probably you may require to reopen Excel. Now we need to convert this value to this kind of format, and I would say it is pretty easy. All we need to do is we need to write here equal, and then we need to add some constant symbols, for example bracket here. And in order to add bracket, we need to enclose that within quotes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is let me add this double quote, and then I'm gonna add this open bracket, then close bracket. Now I'm gonna write end, and now the number that I would like to convert to code, which is this one, then again end, and then again another quote, and then closing bracket, then another quote that will again close this. Now let's hit enter, and there we go. So now you can see the same number. So this is the number, and then these are the two quotes inside this bracket. Okay, now what we can do here is we can simply pull it down such that we can convert all these numbers into code. Now let's select them and then select the font, and there we go. So I'm gonna again take a snipping tool or a screenshot of the same code, and now let's click on save. Then I'm gonna save it in desktop, and again let's try scanning this barcode. Now I'll select the new code that we have generated, click on open. Here we can see it was able to read the value, and the value here is 55,000, which is correct. So in this way guys, we can easily convert a barcode directly into Excel, and you can save a ton of time, because once you set up this kind of format for a one value, you can simply drag and drop, and all you need to do then is need to select the barcode font, and in this way you made all these available. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational, and be sure to check out our new channel where we help you to make informed decision based on your requirement. Thank you, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.